Hello everyone, this is Jyothi Nagaprasanna here. I'm back with another cue card question and a sample answer. So the topic I have chosen is describe a time when you tried to do something but you weren't successful. So you should say when it was, what you tried, why it was not very successful, and how you felt about it. I would like to start by saying that I believe in the saying, success does not come overnight. One incident which happened in my life is still vivid in my memory. It so happened that I started to learn culinary skills by experimenting in the kitchen from my university days. I think I was gifted to cook well for my family. My cooking experiments were mostly a success those days, and I guess I got a little overconfident. And this was the first time I faced the taste of failure in cooking experiments. I would leave no stone unturned to learn the basic baking skills. It so happened that in my second year degree, I was learning to bake buns for an upcoming cooking competition. My parents encouraged me by giving me a pat on my back. I followed the steps in the recipe, and it slipped from my mind that I had not added cooking or baking soda, which is an important element for baking bread or buns. I went ahead and baked the first batch. It was smelling good, and I was under the impression that I had achieved another milestone in baking. To my utter dismay, it turned out to be an utter disaster, as the buns were so hard as stone and none of my family wanted to taste. My face fell down and tears started to roll down, as my dog also refused to have those buns. Even though I was crestfallen, my father encouraged me and told me to stop trying, and it happens at times that one cannot be a winner all the time. This incident was an eye-opener for me, and from then onwards, be it in the kitchen or elsewhere, I would double check before I started a task and continued the same process till the end or till I finished the task. Thank you. And I also request you to subscribe to my IELTS YouTube listening channel. Thank you. Have a good day.